So to download Kdenlive, it's actually pretty simple. If you just boot it into your Raspberry Pi or pretty recently, then it probably won't look like this. I've already tweaked all of the settings and made everything look how I want it to, but nevertheless, anywhere there will be this like icon, and this is the terminal, so just click on that. And or if it's not there, then you can access it by going into here and then going into accessories, and then down here is the terminal. So to install Kdenlive, we're going to do sudo apt get install Kdenlive, and if you can't see it on screen, I'll leave it in the description so you can copy and paste. So now once you have that, you can just click enter, and then all of this will pop up. And then as you can see, it already says that well, basically it says I've already installed it, because as you can see literally right here, it's already installed. But basically after a little bit, it'll say are you sure you want to continue, and you just have to type in Y and then enter. Of course nothing will happen here, and then it'll just take like, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then when you come back it'll be done. So anyway, and then once that's all done, and you've already downloaded it, you can just X out of the terminal, and then it won't be here like I put it there. You actually have to go into the Raspberry Pi thing, and then it'll be in sound and video, and then here's Kdenlive, and then you can left click it and add to desktops, just so then it's easier to get to. And then opening up Kdenlive will take like a couple minutes, especially if you have one of the lower end Raspberry Pis. I have the 1 GB of RAM Raspberry Pi 4, and here's Kdenlive. And yeah, if you're going to be actually editing on Kdenlive, I recommend getting like at least a 2 GB or a 4 GB Raspberry Pi, because I haven't really done much with editing on Kdenlive, but it's going to be a lot slower if you have only 1 GB of RAM. So basically that's it.